welcome. We always do welcome back. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back! That was good. That was a good one. I think that's the best we've had so far. What are we baking? Halloween brownies. Hang on. Back by popular demand, we are doing
Deaf, Blind, Mute Challenge. Again, but part 2.
Part 2. Back by popular demand.
Yeah.
So, would you prefer to be deaf or blind?
Deaf again.
I knew you would.
That
means you have to read the instructions. 3, 2, 1, go! I purposely also have not looked at the instructions, so I don't even know what ingredients we need. Last time I got them all out, I haven't looked, so we need to turn this on. Remember? This one. So you need to find a temperature.
This is why I'm wearing glasses to read. This is why I'm not supposed to take them off.
Yeah, leave them.
Ow!
You have to leave them on this time. Temperature for this one.
Yes, it's that one, not that one.
Okay. Is this light on?
It's that one.
Is the light on?
Yes, the light is
Okay,
on.
I'm gonna just turn it all the way up for a second until you figure out. What's the temperature?
I can't find it. I really can't hear you. O
V
V
E
E
N
S
N.
O N.
It's either gonna be 180 or 200.
Over to 180.
Turn this to 180. Now do the bowl. What's the first ingredient? Okay. What's the we need the
shine of the night, rose of July.
What are we putting in? Milk, egg, water, oil. There should be a thing here in the corner somewhere.
Add eggs, milk, butter.
Butter.
3 medium eggs. Eggs is over there.
Where? Are there no eggs in here? Oh my god. Is there no
Eggs are over there.
Are there no eggs in there?
No, eggs are in there.
Milk.
Milk.
I can do this. I can hear you laughing at me. Where's the bowl?
Inside of me, show time. No.
Has it gone in?
1 egg.
Amazing.
This is the real. This is me. And it's where I'm supposed to be now.
Sing it, girl.
And the light shine on me. I am. I'm waiting for the day. Who I wanna be. It's a Marie. Let's see where. 50 litres of milk.
Why 50 litres? 50 litres? Are you mad? No! Cheater, you're such a cheat. What's the number? Spell it out.
50 ml of milk. Butter is 100 grams with a G.
My G.
With a G.
My
with a
G.
G.
My G. My G. My G.
My G. Do you know what we're doing?
What?
We should put milk in.
I'm trying to find the cup.
What, the cup?
I found it without any help. What does this one say? Oh wait, this is bloody American, isn't it?
You said to mix it.
Yeah, mix.
You said mix it. It's gonna crumble it.
Okay. Oh. Do you see 100?
100 there.
Is there a line under it?
Yeah, there.
Okay.
Secret.
Where's the milk?
What?
That first line.
100 and there's a line.
That's the line we want. Okay.
Pour. Wait. Wait, are you gone over, you donut? Let me do it. Wait. Wait, it's still it's there.
Where is it up to?
Wait.
Is this 100?
100's there, the line's there.
Okay, and it's there.
Pause. Just put it in. It is paused.
We need butter. Butter. Butter.
In
You don't have to shout in my ear.
in the fridge.
Do you want to get it out?
When you put the milk in, the butter's there.
Get the butter out the f***ing fridge.
You should get it out.
Doing everything else and I'm bloody blind. Where's the box?
What?
Box.
Pot?
Box.
Huh?
Box.
What?
Box. You're a cheater. You're a cheat.
Box.
Box. How much butter?
I haven't done that yet.
How much butter?
Oh, butter.
Butter?
100 grams.
Oh yeah, we got, yeah.
You do know that was on. Yeah, that's...
Is it 0?
Huh?
Keep your headphones on. Keep your headphones on.
Keep yours on. Keep. 0.
Does it say 0?
No. 0. Do that and put it on there.
Does that say 0?
It's still 0. 96.
That's good enough for me, I don't care. Jeez Louise.
And this.
Yeah.
Let me know. That was up. That was on. That was on. Okay. Yeah. USA. Yeah. USA. USA.
I really hope
With
it's
my
not
wings and I learn how to fly. Strange, I touch the sky.
Are you done?
Huh?
Have you done?
Do you want to do the extra?
No, you do it.
I'll hold it, you do it.
You gotta put it under then.
Switch to this one.
Am I getting it? Okay, we're done.
Yeah.
Is this light off?
Yeah.
Put it in. The middle. Oh!
Hmm? Sean!
Is it in?
You!
Stop, stop, stop. Oh!
That's from you!
I'm sorry. Alright. Bless you. Whilst we clean up, we're gonna let that cook. Tell him we'll be back in a minute.
We'll be back at 2.
Back at 2.
12 o'clock midnight.
It's like gone midnight, so. I already had the honour of taking it out the oven. It looks perfect. So I'm gonna be blind and deaf. Hang on. Put the brownie on my hand. No, not the actual brownie. I meant on the plate. Put it on the plate and then put the plate on my hand. I wish nothing but the best. Well, you've got your decorating stuff, so you go for it. I'm just here. Here's the thing, we started out friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend. Yeah. Since you've been gone. Since you've been gone. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
You can hold it.
You can hold it because your hand's on it.
I've got the pumpkin.
I've got the ghost.
Cheers.
Ding!
Brownie. 3, 2, 1.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Share it with your friends.
And help us get to... Help us
get to 250 subscribers.
Woo!
Woo!
Also, follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
Woo! Happy Halloween.
The fella over there with the hella good hair, but I'm over there and you shake, shake, shake. Bye.
Bye.